Stop changing parts before confirming the real issue. Guesswork only leads to higher costs. This customer dealt with a knocking sound for 2 weeks. Another workshop diagnosed it as a faulty absorber and recommended replacement. That was incorrect. After a proper inspection, we identified the real cause. A loose brake caliper nut from a previous modification. The sound wasn't coming from the suspension. It was the caliper moving under load due to improper torque. And this isn't just about noise, it's a potential safety hazard. We tightened the nut to the manufacturer's torque specification. Problem solved. No unnecessary replacements. Always diagnose properly before replacing parts. Follow me. Repair your car the right way.
MD Adult.